Mese Kwaso.
And I'm saying Kwaso.
Ah, Kwaso is Kwaso. I didn't do baha. I am a far from. Hey, no. Obama nanom go from that ya go so to
some as me back my did.
No se dey na do be pie ha.
Nana. Did come what na see.
DL News.
It's official. DLFM 106.9.
Yamamo akwaba. Afi tu milikane share Facebook na kase bono humfoni ni videos no. Nyabi na hwaba ye afi so adwenkyere baje mre. Ya kenka ni nada e Facebook no so ediamam. Yan sha kase bono asene mfam free Ghana Police Service for enkrata mum. No mo de kata abonten echim de se kese yi. Adwobro atimi aba otimantanum. Ana finso emraso die ekonkan pa won kwanta ene otimantanum ana finso mpotema hodo a eben eye enkwanta ana finso otimantan nyinanum na Ghana Police Service kase chirim sem na omoden etimi reinforcement ana say a police foko dodo na etimi abomoden akropiemu ewoye oti regional command akachi a wonu muguso ebo adwumaden na aboama ahobambo nsem etimi akonkan na mu chirim sem eye military service ne so ta wonu machi anya sem kuma esi amkesei ahobambo nsem bibia etimi ekonkan ewoye oti matenim na Ghana Police Service for no enkata na musa chire musem ni nyina da ne se basa ya hodo a etotodwa ewoti matenim no ebia sama no homre so oti matesi akese no enya sem kuma emanipa makoma enum wonom etimi ahwe wonom nkwa afoforo so enum epra bia modeda no emu edin ye pa police for na sa akese chire musem adan hodo makoma wohwe so nipa bi atnya gbawra honom etimi asese den nyina kwakwa ho sem ye pa ewo oti matenim na Ghana Police Service ebo amane yesem nipa makoma enu omo pepra ne de mo mbade akopie nwa ya sabia wonom eje arahwere won foforo nso makoma enu omo so awuo no so dem omo kogu aye tese emukrabia mbo mbade akra wonom ahwekra na mo bafa so akakai wonom nyina hu sem enipa ya omo wei ede e pa na nam so omo etumi ahwere wonom nkwa enan Ghana Police Service akase kirem sem wonom police sahene Inspector General of Police Dr. George Akufu Dampa mbade atumi afotetefum etumi afre otimantemu aye oposi pani on da woroma no ene na akasa kirem sem omomode anya ne naso na fi omomode ene adehya won pete om ka biewum omomode sinkunwa na om nyina mo na hoba mo nsem entimi konkan ewo oti matenim Ghana Police Service nkata no ekasa esa kirem sem eye oti regional police commander ene adehya mo om ka biewum ene anfuru nyina bomode atumi atena se a om ni hye pakwan so eguso ebo amane ebo ban agepan se bebetimi aboa na asomdwe mapa ebetimi de hene ewo timantem asomdwe nyina ya pe no yensa etimi aka enkata no ensemetwato no ekirem sem Ghana Police Service edenkra edeto Ghana fo nyina nim sem omuguso ebo ban agepan ewo chesane otimantem etimi aboma nkwanta ne potem nyada asomdwe etimi ede hene wonoma ka se ekirem sem military service na nasa asofo nso eguso ebo emo ekibanya niama egusu ekonkan yepane senti woma ka sa ekirem sem adeham wo otimantem momode na mombo police fo na momwa na emra so de entumi nya adwuma na asomdwe Ghana epe no yensa entumi enkra so oti matenim ene ne mpatem ho nyina enkata wei yamame ane sase ase eye Grace ensa krofio no eye Assistant Commissioner of Police Director Public Affairs na ne secretary wei ase a dia kase gba wei anasa ne mrede mu nkyeremu nyina da ede esomo
Mrashabedwani edema Asen South eye Reverend John Intimfojo ede abeto omampani John Dramali Mahamanim a chese eye nsem obekan se obeboa ma eye proper human social rights ene eye Ghanaian female values bill no eye LGBTQ bill no de ne sabesha ase no ombomodia no onfa ne nsa ensha ase se ne obekan ye no esan se omampani ebedi akunwa no waye ne ho tesese ne enye ono ene ka asem no na so wo na obekan se ode wonsa ebesha ase ewa abra ne ye beto aba no oba ye Asen North ebeye ne campaign eka chetimemfo ne se moto aba ne ma no no be ye omampani ya ade a ode ne nsa ebesha ase nti afi ada na waba na wo ka se eye bill no mo de ba ye na twam nti wo so mo fa from bra ansa na ado nsa sha ase ana eye Reverend eka se di afi crown po na eye den ya bill no eye bill na nti fa sha start ye na mo entwen se eye bill foforo be ba nti omampani ye sere wan nsam na o ka ye no entoto wani yira bomode ana di so pepepe nti we ni nsam aye Mrashabedwani o wa Asen South Reverend John Intim Fojo edi abetuja.
Yentu aka sebon so ne yemo mfanwura mu akabo prema tenko piemem. Ewa abrekuma not abato empesu aso. Na Ghana fo baka Ghana fo yato aba etimi apo mampeni ekire din. Afri mesebadwa konwa ekodu bebe no na akwakwaye boachi bidin nesi amekese no. Masebadwa konwa ba kopa aka eya abrekuma not abato empesu aso ne. Ye twetwe nasra ene abasa o magana mu a enye asem kuma kram. Na ka Ghana fo nyina hwe ane mu senkene. Electoral Commission asosho magana bato bebo no homaden ekwakogira mu ato agiram. Akwam ya kenka ba na ya huni pakro tumi di nkwenem. Ewa abrekuma not abato empesu aso akokogina eye masebadwam. Ekwakobo adwuma e de asom adehye nanso Fofia ntuata ene wadwala bamo ana no pai tesane anopa be no se pepe ena manyoku ahodo akitafo ebo wura mu ekopie miamia ahodo a mekire eye Greater Accra Regional eye Coalition Center honom ekwaje ban eto ban sei wonom mpre china ye nchede obi na ba Facebook no so a DLFM 106.9 video na to so aba abanya bi no watuma hwe ede amayen ade hye chem so monte ase ne ente ase ne frisem abana moto ye no omususu sem omonipa na atimade nkunum senti eba ne se Electoral Commission usa ko baba no foforo biomti enya da mama kwan ne maya makwa chana bato no etumi atena ase aka no foforo ni senti o mapa Electoral Commission eda no hwehwe nyina da etuma sese nkunwa ho nyina abrekuma nota au enya asem kuma kram na akitafa ahudo bia wanum every end samanyoko na chi ekobo ho no ekire mu sem wanum mpre ne empre chana evizom susu sem Ewurabra obion no agina mu edema wo no no wadi nkunum ni senti eye de na ne Electoral Commission ekokenka abafoforo ni senti o mpre ne empre echina kram na the latter edema elections ewa abrekuma not edema endi samayoko Daniel etonyiga ejemek ekasa ye ekire mu sem wo momaden etima yi endi sagitafo nya de afiri bia honom ede akasa ekire honom sem wo momaden ma asomdwe entumi ne hina frisa ne moto a matuo no ya na mopa evizo akasa ekire mu sem post photo nsa de from so momra na musin kunwa frisa de yakoso no ya na mopa kwa jemre ene central for ekasa ne sel mu kire mu no enie.
Well, okay, so obviously before we came, the MPP supporters were up there, they were already occupied. And see, that's why we also asked our supporters to come. We couldn't guarantee our safety with MPP supporters and their mobs. Yeah, of course. So when they came and all this commotion I think it's fair that when all of them have withdrawn, we also have to withdraw and then move out to the designated place they have already informed us to meet, and that's where we are going right. The community headquarters, that's where we have been invited to go and meet someone that is waiting for us right again. So we don't know what really is going to happen over there, so we cannot even speak of having a collation in the first place. But it's an invitation, and we need to honor the invitation. Well, they spoke to me, and I informed my parliamentary MP-elect, and she had to contact them and then give the green light for us to move on. So that's all our supporters. Of course, whatever activity that must happen here.
Any awoti ekopiemo awabrekuma not abato mpesu aso no ene the letter of elections edema endi samayoko no ne den ede Daniel tonyiga ene ocheche ne semu sei empe amayoko na chitafo di ka kodu honom ne senti no amusuro mo nkwa nti mbambaden efre mo chitafo omo to kwahye honom ene basabasa ya kosoma Electoral Commission bia ya nkeko nka ba no akwaje tan ne omapapa omo hwehwe ene nkonwa dodo na nso atumi asei Electoral Commission wonom Coalition Center wakam primatemum eno achi ena ndi samayoko ni mabi ekasa ya kire mu sem Electoral Commission akenka aba no mprenu so atimi declare Ewurabra obenso no wadi nkunum senti omonum de enti ene omati ata omani asa omompene se Ewurabra oben no enkoye mase bedwani senti omonti ase ne enti ase ne kire da aba no Electoral Commission so when declare Ewurabra oben ema wa hunu se ndi sifuna de nkunum de a ene mojempo mbaka gu aba no omompene ne empene kina ene so mu kire mu no enie
ya titi mi sada ene to ka besi ye ku to pa no abrekuma no ye greda nto ya kupo wosu ya wi ni da si obesi ya di 2 times the rablo wa wi ni awie the end is before come on ese for no mu jade mu ye no na ye ba to ana mu di basic aba ana bi eni hu abrekuma no methodist ya di basic so police inspector ya di ku to pa ana yi free no police inspector abrekuma no ya di basic asenu every year our police force ka the rabra omo obi aska we win the botuma everything ya go to amana kemba omo win here 28 years the boy dey gidigidiga afuwe ko ye wini yanu omu so mu tiase le mu yanu enye wa tiase ya wini omu so mu jama ye ne su ye kofie dabi se on be fero ama fero amna de be kutu ko ha ene e kaje Mr. President today state say do go mu go because the rabra wa wini nza the rabra wini kwa de anu de ye tiase because of electoral commission oni e fi ye ai ba ku on be so mu wi ai from 7 and the way na ba I declare the free and I declare Rabra 2 times as a we still run me and Sada. And then to come and see you are good to no problem. You get that. We don't have to need that.
Aye. NDC, I tell for the Muchim is about 1 year. Omu yeda. Pass a Rabra Oben, and men Kunumia Muntu Maginum. Pass a Bepene Palmas Mubiaba Hodie, a bean sine, and a BS China. Sikapa.
Kwadwo.
Aye public man not to.
Should I say na be memu ani pada sanit mi say tu okra mpona yam boy na say rab na enwi dia ya be kontok.
Bra Facebook no so DLFM 106.9 video ne da honom. Enya sem kuma hwehwe papa ne no.
Eh.
Omo hia mpaibo. Enti em mpae public man not for na enti sa de be geta. Ye mpae ma omo wai.
Ya makadeleko. No. I didn't clear. In the name of Jesus.
DLFM 106.9.
No. I didn't clear. Father. In the name of Jesus.
Sikapa.
Kwadwo.
Enti ablekuma not for mpae na yaboi.
We dey was here the fasting ka ho.
Omo hia mpaibo. Because eni anyan. Kofitela said. Kofitela said dey.
There's a pipe on your boy, yellow.
Adin. Adin. Say a toa baby. Ye permashe bedwani ekogem de mablekuma not be pemene ye timi nya bi. I mean, about electoral commission. Oh, why yantu no foforo. Ana man kan ye.
Sa pepe.
Why yantu no foforo. Adenti na betina se. And don't pese nipa bi wu ansa o ma amaba no ye hu se afidie. Ye nya obi okogina mu ana. Me mente ase atete me. Sikapa me wura ho. Adenti na betina se de ye hu abro sa.
Nhyiraba wonti ase.
Ya to abawie. Ye ntumi hu nipa wadi nkonim. A yesi o mampani awia aguso apa na soafo bo adwuma. Ei. Dabi electoral commission tenase. Saba no oh ha monya hyehyeye monto no foforo. Ye mpese ye behu afi na nipa wu. Ansa na Ghana de moja na ye pe. Agyei sacrifice ba anse yate ye ho ase. Ye mpani sa bio. Ye mpese be de nipa wu bio. Momoden. Samba to no foforo monto no foforo na som dwema me de yekoso no. Nyame anim de kure ni. Be bo nyoso. Monsa nye mpa bon de twa to ne enkoya nim.
No. I didn't clear. Father. In the name of Jesus.
Yantu akase bone so na Chamber of Petroleum eye consumers for e dia betu dwa say e ya de ombo mo homode aso mo betu eye petrol ne buo ne so e dia kwa 3%. Na diesel buo so e dia kwa 1%. E wo second price window nim e wo ya obepo besumi ya yewom ya. Na emom ansa no metumi ama no abafam no e ya de omo hwe says ye Ghana cedi no ejina ye ana say ye US dollar no ene ne ye pe ana say US dollar ni mom e wo soro e de sen no. Na we na omo ka say eye afie etwa mu yi okwa girl filling station ya na petrol buo no e wo eye 14 cedis 75 pesos per liter e de ko eye 14 cedis 99 pesos per liter. Sa na diesel no so e di free eye 15 cedis 45 per liter e de ko eye 15 cedis 60 pesos per liter. Inta ya de omo modi ya he say second price window na eba obepo busumiwem no ombebo mmode so betimi ate ebuo ne so ama ye fango buo no akofam ye e de ama obi biara wo man mu we na ye executive secretary e de Chamber of Petroleum eye consumers no Duncan Amoa e de betu dwa say only owojidie power oil marketing company nim say ombebo mmode e de omani adi ye sidi nachi na emomo mo he say eye fango buo no beto so ana say omo ente so
Nema miensa ene deba or international market price IMP no we see this depreciation or appreciation or forex no and our taxes we know can say new tax and buy until the taxes are stable we know can say the forex no CD no to dollar no between the first day of January up to by 10th na depreciate kakra na again until drew a big crown na interbanks they quote 14.8 8.7. The past 3, 4, 5 days, some increase kakraba so you can say that the city has been almost stable, but international market benchmarks, it's from kakra. And based on that, we would expect from the stations, oil marketing companies, also bono ejina baby ejina, and 1 or 2, 3% to be entities for the say shortage we don't find the numbers per our calculation here. Shortage is simply because bad planning for the lake and yet because the scarcity of the product I'm planning here. And it will be fair. But almost that will be a true reflection of the numbers. Now say that is where Ghana for the donor share anymore and now your calculations supported are.
And I would see a executive secretary at the March Chamber of Petroleum Consumers Duncan Amoa and I would say in King.
Yen to a castle and copium, ewa bono and in patem. Nagana cocoa board for penny for one anti-cocoa smuggling task force for modern. Etime and a Ghana Police Service for and reference to below of national investigations. BNI Akabum, Abam Homadane. Any other agencies in Abam Homadane Pablo Jumadia make us say. Eye trailer be about Homadane, Ecofa Cocoa, and a cocoa baxi, a 2,500. Aya bax in the Gumma Madane, Etimidi Ghana Free Ghana. I copy a mambisu, Akakoton Cocoa, did say to. Or match one every Sagana Timothy say no. Emra, I say Yajuma Panti, make us a match one I was young. Na Emra penny power or nom, the day at the market, Aya Paddy, Quesi, Ayasumenum, on a regional administrator at the Marco Board, Bono, Aha for and if the Bono is Aya Regents in him. Waka said to them, same. Sana moto do ekwaso ube wane de koko e twane de free Ghana e de kama ho bres ama ho foforo bi so akoton no eta akwaso pa wo manyimu a enya de ya na mopakra ne send wakasa kirem sem Ghana for yentua ho fu pa wasa kasa e kirem sem tax ahodo amoche no mudi kan eche baako e de free krankwanta ana free de akanso do ma hinkro ene mpote na sa ahyen ahodo ye free mo maden de koko yi e dwane akwa ma ho foro so akwakoton agi sika e de agu wonum botom no opani agaze kirem sem ahia hodo mako miensa mo che wono monom de di kan registration number no GR 7237-21 the tosumi ne GR 314-24 and afinsu AS 5278-23 omu nyina da su koko box mako 2500 amamo maden etimi edi nua ya pai ene omde agu akata koko sena koko negu asenti hu seka na kwa enua na hu koko box ne se egu kanim no penika se no chire me sem eye first can de moche ne odoma hinkro bia kan so ne nyina moche no krankanta je se ne nyina odoma west district ni ma wode mo chire me se dabi etimi transfer my Ghana enipa bi entimi fa koko fa free Ghana nkota ma hofro so eba ne sa no mo ne ene ne ye kra no penipa ono no ye eye kwantrafo penin e de Ghana Cocoa Board e wo bono region ma jemre if you look at
how the packaging is done, it's very difficult for you to just do a random stop on the way to say that you are inspecting the track. So based on information, we moved to the field. Then we had to lay surveillance on them for about 3 days until we finally intercepted the first track in Doma. And then we brought the track to Sunyani, went back for the 2 tracks from Nkrankwanta. So we brought them to Sunyani, and it's just been the paperwork, going to court to make sure that we're able to take possession of the cocoa beans. So currently we have about 1,473 maxi bags of cocoa. And if you want to repackage them into the normal 64 kilos, we should be having more than 2,000 bags of cocoa. And one person, I don't know whether it's one person, I don't know whether there are 2 or 3, I don't know whether it's a cartel, whatever it is, are trying to smuggle this quantum of cocoa out of this country. And that is a lot of money and a lot of loss to the states.
Nekwa kramo no, ena Michael, eye pedi, esmenu, echremu se tepi. Omaga na yatim se no emra hodo a efese obi edi kokoo dwane firi Ghana ebe so de ko ma foforo so koton no emu amre si ebechi obi so de kokoo dwane akoton na ma foforo so na ebechi na akoton firi hia ma komeko enum de for pound cent emra na emu nya tempa ne ntumi moa sebe ye obi ebo de trimu person de kokoo dwane firi Ghana akoton ma foforo so a ebetumi atwe na so ye pa ma nipa na hu say yes e kire bi no sa na mo fon sa no sebe obi enkotu bio enu so mu nkire mu no. The
smuggling is so bad to the extent that some people even, use even the sea to smuggle cocoa to Togo and Benin and all of those places. It's very bad. Look, cocoa is the backbone of Ghana's economy, and anybody who tries to smuggle cocoa out of this country, I think that the person is not being fair to this country, and the person is a nation wrecker. I'll put it that way. We all know that when we have cocoa, it even helps in stabilizing our city. And so if one person out of selfishness will try to smuggle cocoa out of the country for his own selfish desire and then for his good, I think that the person doesn't fit to be a Ghanaian. Somehow we are all benefiting from cocoa. Cocoa is the backbone of Ghana's economy. So if you see something, say something. And there's a reward in place for people who give tips or for us to arrest people. I believe also that it is about time we relook at the sentencing regime for people who are into cocoa smuggling. Minimum of 5 years now, for me, it's not deterrent enough. We should also look at probably confiscating whatever they use in smuggling cocoa. I think that when we do this, it will deter people, from engaging in smuggling. At the same time, too, we wish to also call on the judiciary to help us, because this is a campaign not only for cocoa board. If it goes well, it is Ghana that wins ultimately.
Any awoti ye or no, and a regional administrator at the Ghana Cocoa Board, our bono a half and a so bono east a mantamnum. Nedin at the marker, Paddy, Kwesi, Asumanum. And which them is a Ghana Cocoa who did Janakotama, a Mafu Bisonum. A dosunti, a bayam lanimunyati, Nemoa, Nesana more phone sabi. Yenya esa Ghana bit to me, Akoyanumi Pam. Yantwaka Samosenko PMA, Ewo Osino, and no Ewo Fantiaqua South, a mentionum. Naya Osino Hine, Ewo PMA Temo, Nedin Adwoa Sabarama otu.com. Wakasa them say, Ghana man penny for fry no John Dramani Mahama. Obon homa dis obetumi abon homa de yakon na watu chesene galam sei ase kotikwan ya faso etufuma gudi ese o Ghana nsase na akwaye no ade ha adwenye pam na na kase do kirem se Ghana man peni yi se wani abere se opese wutu galam sei na ase de a ayeso obon homa den na wona nanam atrenkonwa eka bomba akopa sabe bo ba ku mu ade nte sa de yi wani wontumi enkohwe na na kase kirem se wo hwe galam sei ya ase Ghana japade ensase ene akoye ne manne ebintumi amama bi afodo na sem enkonkura ahodo na entimi nyansu pannom ne senti adenti ne betena se ne oman kasa yetim ne yede yankwa ene yeda achen agrato pressa na na kasa kirem sem ababa ya ofrem de assembly be na afrem nanso nanam ahemfo nka ho de a entimi nkosi aga evidence ase ne ya ahemfo ne de ne senti mamo kwan ne mamo kwan nya na monso entimi enka bim na na kasa kirem sem sana montowe ade ba ka bebo ne se Ghana man pani mon ho maden Oma nananum tumi na sabase or the money list no e de ma companies na nananum atrenkwanya ne ka ho bi so ba betu fuma gudi ona na bi empotem a nananum wakwanya se ono so e betena mla no so sakobase nipa no asase no so otu no wase so a yentwa sika bi a obehye adwuma na aseno betumi dia ma ahemfo no na se wantumi amfa amra no wankata so agya na ahemfo no bomade di sika no etimi asiema no sante sa para John Dramani Mahama tumuda galamse no etuntumi twada na naka se kirem sem Osra Ghana man penny se animanim ya damo maden no fa nanam ahemfo ene o montena se na monta na chine mona so ya ne sada galamse no ase betumatu obama na jemre ene ensem hwe ni kontri kofa o twetwe nkomo e wa payment tem ne se ma do som ye no e mu kirem no enie
Omampani ya yiro fufu yi se obetumi aboa galamse se ne okan wi aka asem papa na emom oma etumi no na ye hu se ohen bia ona saase bia hu se asumasi ene obentin ene ye dwuma ha because of that no assembly nim ohen nim una ye dwuma ha efi ya kosi ya odia sa na tie dia uye wi a kata so ada twezika we to ha uye wi no ankata so a na ye disika na akata so enko bibia sa ema enti obe regulating sa dia oba hen futumi involve yen na ye hu ne ekọ o ya san so because ye nim ne ekọ obati so be ye dwuma obakwa no ripakro pe no figa na oni we mane mamane edim ye hwe obi se concession bi na obi atwa bi ama no e do o ye dwuma basa iso be ne sa media e ge da na se na mum o involve yen e possible so o involve ahemfo e betima fighting illegal mining because say you regulate obi enu ba bi obi ye dwuma afi wa ma ahemfie no e he oba ye dwuma e na minum so na o ye dwuma ha ko twa ska we to assembly one kata so adan assembly ska na kata so e no
Eni a woti ye eye osu no hene ne den ede osabarema otu dakom ne nsema wo de tu dwane mu nkire mu ene ye de asum amane bo ye nsem twere ni konte hene kofi obo ene de nkrai ede ma ye da ye ho sema akwaje ye na boafo dwotonde ye ba kase bode aka achi no ye beti afri onom ede ama wo
Makwantu ohunsam eye medadwen nanso me yansam tro ne nti menya adaje ye hwehwemu ekohu Sunday Sam's Consult na wonom nti ende metimi ba menya abre ne adaje ekenkan ye eye investigations about womo ana me hu se wo apply for visa assistance a enfeli efri se wonom ewo track records madansi die nie ma me nintrel Sunday Sam's Consult edi Britia webi ebeje o visa amount se wo ko United Kingdom, Canada, Dubai, Poland, Croatia, Nancy Kradia, Serbia, any Greece in so abeka ho a work permit etechere. Ma menchire wo mo etire kwan. Sunday Sam's Consult ewo Ofanko barrier, Asofan, our Bay Wise Park Hotel, ewo Asofan New Station honomo a. Phone number 0244291546. Email address nso samuel626@gmail.com. Yeti ehudi enti, we connect dreams with opportunities. E manenye wadwendwen, frɛ wonom na nso bedi adanse media.
Yeah, to akase bone so ewani jedie mu ana mo kyerema na edin oje so ye akokɔ specs e de nsɛm abetu dwa wa bra na ye interview ewa GH page so say eya ade aga na asɔfofoɔ a o magidin ye wo manyimu ye pa eba eye mo kyere honom e de sika ebeto nipa ho akwa a o kyerɛ sɛ nsɛm a etwam wo eye wiase mu e kyerɛ sɛ ade asɔfofoɔ bebre na yusu nipa ho akwa mo omewu ho akwa na didi omujuma na ye no kra ye papa esan se sɔfo bi a wagidin ye ewo eya omanyimu a oboni din ye obi abehu na ompese obeboni din sese ane de eya ade a waba ne ho se oba beto nipa ho akwa ni bia sika de ba ye ne de sika mu ye duru ye papa na so esan sika de ba ye ne krampo ni na achi no wan so mu amfa nipa ho akwa na amfa man esan se ni gidie enche ne sa odin semwe etudwa
Izi me mo mochu bi ba me na ase osofo mu na ba ka wode mu nyango o ji bi ba this place no ba bu is come that time 1 million no bondos ama ade anu wo pe me nanso an kumuti ni mi na mabubu ni mo we ni e body de mo bi oba bi funu no eni che oba na no e de na sisi ni nsaso e kai o kai ma nsa na sisi fi so ma nsa na tie na o de bu funu na mo dai e bia me shia na me se that time na mo se mi wan fi mi di matambo no aduma na boss ba ko friend say number me ko no se de mo bia ba we dia so young game em ko na mo ko no mo ma na ko de mo me ko na ga na wana de ya me ko si ni sa wa
eni ya wuti ye eye mochema na ye friend akokɔ space and odin nsem tu ja say ya de asofofuo bebre na edi sikapudo ekoto nipa omawu omoho akwa edidi omujuma
saa okrum ha o osofo no hia mpaebo wate ka ja ze me so hia mpaebo de mo mpae ma no
ya makadere ko no I get it clear Father in the name of Jesus
yetu ase ma osofo no onyai saa na mwa Ghana ni yaba wonche ni mre yi de yadrei aye sofa na men sofa ni nyina ne se okopie mom ewo bono mantem no mu a sunya ne mpatem aboto dwa se nipa bi edi koko edwane afri Ghana akwa monone yakotom na nya we ni de edi kan ya esie koko 2500 bucks ene nipa ne di dwane yakotom awa manfoforo so asema dedwa ebisa ne se Ghana nso kuaya yade a eboa pa moman etumi konkan adwuma titire wa Ghana pa wo man mu ha sei no eye kuadwuma ena ma Ghana fapem emanya Sikapa nanso ede na ekoso ema kuafo na nje hunti etumi di koko edwane afri Ghana akoton wa mafoforo so Ghana ni wote say ya de koko free Ghana akoton amafoforo bi so a de na ye no susu say de nti ena e kan manne ama akuafo no esusu say koko no kra ne yenton Ghana yenkoton na monone Ghana ni asem wei de na mpanifo na nya ne yenti ema aba ne sen opani maajo.
Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. We need to come.
If I told me yenti wa numre.
Yo. Mpacho, na nipa na obo mpa no. Ami o ya yente zana.
Da bio.
Obo mpa ya na kokoro sa ade.
Wa bre.
Okay. Well, I said na wo kan wo. When we say nipa bia no ye ejuma opika. Na ye mi say baby obodo call no. Akwa class no wo so. And then Ghana ha ye na ewo.
Okay.
So, wetin obodo call no je ye na mbom no ye be ka tra aban ni say. Koko no onhwe na onye ho bibima ekuafo no because koko ho na e be pa.
Yo.
Be. Ti aban hwe class na ho na wo mu ye kwan jai
small girl. Mate, me da senya me nshira pa say wo ba so hello majo.
Yeah.
I have felt dinner bia kase free.
Anti bi ya me kwatu do ya.
Me pa cho me yenti o Ghana koko na mo de kwa mo ni.
One pe ye penny for no mu ye serious. Aka mu ye serious a. Ko mu ha se no, o mu ti.
Oh, ahoma no ya tiatum. Hello. Oh, kafra.
After obipo from Chrome. What do you mean?
But you may tell Kapa, Yanko.
One will say, I do not the and penny cocoa phono or more bread. But then I'll bet in your Toma or Mona or Manjeska. I want to open that Dianeco. If you are moving there, or cocoa or more far cover beer, or more two. Amutu ke ne mu ma mu no ma mu sita
yo
no muti mi na mu adwuma na bibia nko yie
yeah that's me da se pa hello majo
Kwadwo
sa kwade atama community 11 yentio
yeah sa kwade ni atama community 11
yenko
Nhyiraba
senior
one will say Ghana ban ohwe price na omuton wo Cote d'Ivoire no na oma akuafo no the same price.
Yo.
Say omo the same price. I'll say omo de beko.
Okay.
Enti Ghana for Ghana ban sisi wom. Enti no omo so smuggle de kono.
Okay.
Obia pesca.
Yo.
Enti Ghana ban
onfa bi nka ho.
Price ni nya onfa bi nka ho.
Yeah that's it. Yeah that's it kwade. Yes yeah that's it. Hello majo.
Yeah, me there.
I have for dinner bia kase free.
Mr. Adwoa Sammy.
Oh, Mr. Adwoa Mpocho me yente wa yimiri.
Who will say? Koko. Last year koko anzu. Ana buying the situ a woman asa di bi kwode. Let's say ebuno enjoy ye kura. Enti abana na waba no. Omo modia no mabuno enkosoro. Na Ghana funja petro na wo se na wo de kwa manfoforo so no.
Yo.
The thing says what to me no wo so we ni a. Won yes ade.
Yeah that's it.
Wo mo modern. Because say won a wachichi won won ja won won je wa ho.
Yo. Yeah that's it pa nyame onhira we bre. Hello majo ya me last caller.
Yo, mirindi imano akase di sama be bo me sisi onu wa.
Ipa cho me yentio.
Ye wo fa ye mint na kromu wa bra emranye ju. So be I say Sammy so me person me gisi me so me person me gisi a enye. A ban no price or de be ba no eno no bi a de be ye adwuma. Wo mo a eye illegal no wo mo ma emra ani wo mo ndu.
Yati. Yensi ya da se pa kole we wa makwan apaka fa che me. Hello majo.
Me pato ye ja Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B.
Dixon ba nyakon droba achime de kuro me yentio.
Me pato Dixon ba da kon
okay my yentio.
Me da se.
Yo.
Ya mi se na dwuma pa bo ma Kristo no mangana.
Okay.
Akwa. Oni bibi. Okuani bie ni wa woto na woto ni ya. Obede betra kwa manone. Se me koton wo ho. Na Ghana nkoya na yesi akuafo se woni kwan se woto won ade wa manone.
Yo.
Ndi sa aba no tete se akuafo e kuku woni kwan se woto wa manone a. Enna se saade a What's the Ghana for one share price or the milk we are for the same Naku Juma and not from an Equi Juma and nothing. This ain't in the young Billy. Yet to a belly boomer. But I see what they are to say, Papa and Farmer, and we are for living cat will be a medicine.
Yes, so yeah, that's a pan by Ghana. Ni the news ni na be gina we sina de ni na EDSC piaga which them so kuje tabra queen na wonso won kan pa moje double salary wo krum ha na yo yate ena Frank Ofosu which them say odi free Kumasi na kase bono emu de pa na ni DLFM news hu ye pase ni ayan so ya da se pa ye buka se bono kom say pon kase wo msemfo eye maize mebe entry ena semu edema yen Kofitera ene DJ Omar na boa ye de kopie mu wo Facebook on som ene no me na besuma ni mredi ameje so e takwado Kwadwo kurum to be wodi hyekonkron Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B mene
Adwoa Agyei Sikapa
yes sorry na apakan G8 watena se ode akopama so nsem na ode to aso e dia mayen
DL Power Sports emu ade ejawom dedew
Abusia na yumre mayansama wa dwon ansama wa kwaba mfamra nkran pumpuri mantam aje atum kasafidie kase ba kopeso deal ohani nsia echiripo enkron ene fiade nyumremre redu se agudie mu nsam yesin kunya na agudie mu nsam a yakwakope ede akoma semufo watena se asone so wu so ntebe ni nyina waye fim ni aka die osie mu odu akese no otiefu editie se wote ohwefu edihwe se ohwe ena yen okafo nso no edika se yeka eya agudie mu nsam ni a edi adane edi adencheche ebu mfumpa ewo Ghana ha ebibrem ena broni cross wa manone ena ya boabo no atunidin DL Power Sports and yumre ye deba ni ye dia babesmo nsem pina ne wom entitami kuchu ni amfa emra embesmo na etuowe se enya chiginafo pa ena etumito na ekumaboa enti agudie mu nsem amede ba memfa seda kese ema kwame afumota echire ye de eba sanso na obepiem e ofidue ma DJ Omarion or the to Facebook live enti obetumi akọ no wakọhwe DLFM 106.9 ena enwechi no Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B enso da so timfidie na chi a obepiapiane no edi agum edi amame na memfa seda kese emfama Lumba insupa enanyumre omukitamimu esomasin ema media agudie mu nsam no edeba na Food and Drugs Authority ayenhwehwemu agye atum sende no obepiem wo Ghana a insu a wonom na ekọ onipadue no a ennuane nu ese wunya no ni nyina wo mu no eye Lumba insupa enti afiefie mu Lumba insupa no ena montom fanhye mu fridges mu na mombobo eno achi no event bi na wo ye say a wedding outdooring ene ayie kra na aba ode bombode a fa Lumba nsupa no serve wa ho eno achi mu amotonton nsuo nsuo amontonton no eye Lumba nsupa including mu traffic mu nyina moton nsuo no Lumba nsupa no ena moton ankrofo beto cars na mu yi nsuo no Lumba nsupa monfangu mu cars no na monkonkoton upe bia to obepie mu ewo Enquires ha Gbogba Junction DLFM abrosan kese no yane Wisconsin University no ena edi animhwe ensoso wo ana upe bia di udwuma jama trofo na frempenifo edi bibegu kamu ababeyi edi amao eye 0555 05 miensa 274757 ana 0577 475343 Winning numbers are for Lumba Supano yeba beyibi ede amao mi amedi agudie mu nsam na de ba na di ameje so no eye ayensu ano de hye apa kanjh the blessed kintantam so a yensi from na nda nwumre yantuja emfa nsam no mfa ma de yenhyase emfa fi yendiem e Ghana na wo national issues no yenhyase emfa fi former Black Stars of Ghana player we coach Ash Gold Pen your friend Thomas Dua na kache ene yesha serie fi na Thomas Dua akasa ede afa eye Black Stars no na Thomas Dua echema o si imrewe do say Black Stars no ebe campe to say na local players no aye from local Black Stars no aye omo campe no my international say o tournament nko a ene ye be frefre Black Stars players no na o ma be hia da kro da mienu no makobogam ye yesa party bonding, cohesion, any understanding, and yajuma, and to see any tournament be cry. Young from Rantiano, na be 2-3 days be, or Mombra back camp, Ebanisa, Yebenya solid, and a formidable Black Stars team.
Maybe I think they will come to the dance and local small camp now. And then why? Because of team were together and the whole is rolling. Individual play in the don't you come motion. Play how young and but team is at out to say, oh yes, sir. One more not saying English. Yeah. They can tournament in one camp. As a camp.
Thomas Dia, a former Obuasi Ashanti Gold, or coach, and Watenenka. Now, on some food from the Abisane say, Ghana Premier League, you know, Ouni saying at the same Edemano, and I say Ghana Premier League, you know, and your bodies are no one attention and the publicity, and no, and they are very low.
And not bad. La tension in the Sakaka, tension in the because league, tension in Sakaka, tension in the Sakaka. Say, tension is there. After we do it, but see, much be possible to say a piano for matcha, will be at Chelsea, for matcha, between Chelsea for matcha, will be at the matter for Janama, publicity, and attention, or from Kakan, this is
Way any summer Thomas, dear former Ashgold, or coach. De etuja yedi amao yempiemo ewa Ghana Football Association former vice president nakache your friend Mr. George Akwasiefie na Mr. George Akwasiefie and yebisane say 2016 anas expose don de bayron na kwese corruption katasche ene proye aye yem football no ma adokuru yem football no na in the situation it is saying and Mr. George Akwasiefie echema or say bribery and corruption katasishane proyese ya dwen say we in football or say no etchen sakura or say mrewedo say team owners or Ghana no ebe se chire omosen eduasam you know aka no credit akire Ghana for say yempo katasishane proye edaso we in football no.
The biggest spender of Ghana Football Association is the money the government of Ghana put in football. It's more than the money GFA received from FIFA. But the budget of only the Black Stars for one competition year, do you know how much is it?
Yeah, try say you bet me and ya George free no to me at the amount and so na yanya no yankotie.
Things that existed or the things that people perceived as corruption in football, they are even worse now. If we have to be very honest to ourselves. So, yes, because you and I sit here as club owners, we run clubs, and we cannot deceive ourselves by not telling the public that bribery in football still exists in a larger scale. That's a fact.
Mr. George Akwasiefie Adwoa Samson and our auditor or say Ghana no ope obia or discussion sports mu and I am football umpa. Ghana buying or say Black Stars Ekobo game back on say a World Cup say na or see a buying to me spending more than $10 million. Chinsika Fibiano FIFA at the bread GFA no into Pobi or this sika football more Ghana Ghana buying.
The biggest spender of Ghana Football Association is the money the government of Ghana put in football. It's more than the money GFA received from FIFA. But the budget of only the Black Stars for one competition year, do you know how much is it? It's over $10 million. For example, if you are going to play the World Cup, okay, not a year, but then when you add flights and everything from the start to the end.
Nekrakramno and a yebisa Uncle George Akwasiefie and Crawford say Black Stars Management Committee no sabe asunim faswanti yam paper emfanfi woni yanguno and Mr. George Akwasiefie echema or say Black Stars Management Committee no aya yam fan Crawford moti football ase enye sabe obi akeke na ye tebri no e dia call say onko Black Stars Management Committee na Black Stars Management Committee no ehun hia ye pa enti mo amoka say yanguno no one mo nya adwene.
DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.1.
People who understand football, people who are well versed in our football. It's very important. I disagree. I don't think that it should be scrapped. I don't. It depends on the personalities you put on.
When in some Mr. George Akwasiefie edituja yediamao yenremo ewa Dankwe Akache na Dankwe a former player edema Accra Hearts of Oak na Black Stars nso no onya kwenya esi akande ma omo na dankwe echema o se local players na wo Ghana no yempo quality ne de se omo ye adwumaden ansa na omo du that level na ye hwehwe no na ometumi awura Black Stars no o se na nse ya ma omo akwenya se omo de local blasters Black Galaxy omo mbo chan na omo qualify ye nyina ye hu ye omo ntumi an qualify nti Black Stars ne de se local players ne betumi awura mu a agye omo ye adwumaden.
Quality, you have to work hard and some good quality inside the national, senior national team because you're more privileged. Therefore, you can they can go there by sponsor if you are they will join first left because I did that. Nigeria, both women are winning. Look at the performance. Well, they have to work hard.
Na dankwe tuane Samson yebisanse ni team Accra Hearts of Folk no ohune sen ana se Hearts of Folk team no omu hia more quality players so omo de babewura team no na nansia ohwe omo against Vision FC ohun se still na no Hearts of Folk mrantie no still is omo working hard.
Like I said, we need more for sure. But I say only for sure. Still they have to work hard. Both class, they have to work hard.
Way and summer dankwe editu just still no what Accra Hearts of Folk Bobo Kona Akache no Kwame Opariado ene kasama for de Hearts of Folk Bobo Kono na Kwame Opariado unim say Hearts of Folk assign ya brantia ye friend set or say na yebisane say former Ash Gold ringer ya Hearts of Folk ma sign no why na recommend ya brantie na Kwame Opariado chima set or say no technical team Abubakar Watara da no ene ne technical team no ena o ka kire management say a brantie friend set or say no mu hia no enti management enye ne wadwuma no mon sign no eno ena ne o ma yesa de enti obetumi aka say set or say officially no or your registered player at the House of Folk.
So this is a technical decision from Mr. Watara and his technical team. So he has confirmed that he will need first of all, so management has to work on it, and then positively first has signed his contract for Accra House of Folk. So I will say that First is now a registered player, and that is now a player of Accra House of Folk.
Kwame Opariado kasama for penny edema Accra Hearts of Folk Bobo no era watenenka yen cross carpet enko piemo ewo mu bitterest rival Kumasi Asante Kotoko Akache dia uram Kumasi Asante Kotoko Akache a omo national cycles no supporters ekuo ni nyina omo abatu eso omo koto na omo yimpenefo na since 2023 eno matutu a sheda mande akwako piemu kra ewo menhia na Solomon Ofosuware former management member de Makotoko yebisane se Solomon Ofosuware inde ujinasi yanto oswaba na be NCC National Cycles chairman na de ntin up to now abano monto ye
information de man say your first round we are atesi aka wa match na boy nti ye ba wa match we are ye be hwe dem pan for now de ye nti fa ye penka say beto na so chira tumi na kudi menhia nti ya mama yenyi say your first round we are ye be election afro nti ye hwe ye mu wie no mga say election na ye be isa ba kotoko enya aba chairmanship no but
Solomon Ofosuware etwanen Samson Oditu Jasende ojina say Yantone Swaba as NCC National Cycles chairman na ombeji dibreno emfanfi Christopher Damenya ensem ose kwatoko no waye management member pen Cycles leader waye bi pen niaka ye NCC Cycles chairman waye ready or leadership skills na or the beba on board enti supporters mokoto abana monto mfama no obanso a obehwe se ode kwatoko ebeji Africa
my management member da my Cycles leader da enti ade aka national chairman na me enti my ready da we say leadership skills no ewo nti ye ba beboa na amafo so aboy isama kotoko me ni so ade kun pass kotoko beto aja Africa Cup ye dia mo 24 semitimi bo ma kotoko ja
we enen sama Solomon Ofosuware NCC no ojina say yanto ne so aba na only di kotoko NCC no ana watene nka no Nana Kwadwo Agyei eye Vision FC omu coach onim say nyame adom akwasiada omu kokumase na omo ne Asante Kotoko akwakobo na Nana Kwadwo Agyei akasa de afa Kotoko o se Kotoko eye big team omu Vision de omu ye new team omaba na obi anim say one Kotoko kwakobo na se wo ye Vision na ulusu a enye news na mo Kotoko elusu a ene news no de obeka say wa obema wutima ya wode no ena wo betumi elusu sa game way.
If Kotoko underrates Vision, they do that at their own peril. But of course, Vision, we're prepared, we are ready for this. Playing at the Baraya Sports Stadium as well. That is also another great thing for me and my boys. I think that being there, the fans being around and playing against Kotoko is a huge motivation. I hope that Kotoko also finds something to motivate them, because for us, playing against them is already a motivation. Any team that is complacent.
Where is someone Nana Kwadwo Agyei Vision FC coach Ede Etuja, Coach Evans Adote, Coach Kum, Technical Director Ede Media Nyame adom akwasiada omu ko brekum no ne brekum Chelsea akobo osi game no ntumi predict so omu ko fa 3 points ni nyina na mo ni obeka ne se omu lusu ana draw bi de omu de beba fie na oma prepare for game na eba so no na oma map up a strategy a omu de ko game no se no ka no so oma wini a draw bi kra omu nya eyo okay di ma omu.
I will not predict by saying I'm coming home with the maximum points, or maybe going there to lose or draw. Like I said, it's a collective idea. We are prepared. We have the next 2 days to get the team ready for the upcoming game. Chelsea, I saw the other time, drawing 2-2 at their own backyard against Holy Stars, and also against Dreams. We all saw what transpired. We are also mapping strategy to ensure that on Sunday we return home Takwa base. If not the maximum points, a draw will be okay for Media Sporting Club.
Coach Evans Adote, a coach interim, Kum technical director at the Media Sporting Club. Ana Watan kan yedi fienesi yamfa kakrebin toaso ewa manonema na yan sorry so dia enanwumre uwuremu ewo broni kroso ewa manone a the top 5 major league in Europe no emu mako 9 matches ebetodwa na wo Spain Spanish La Liga ebo no otwe Espanyol and Real Valladolid ebebo wo Germany no German Bundesliga ebo non som payma Eintracht Frankfurt and Borussia Dortmund ebebo and our Italy no Italian Siano ebo 745 AS Roma and Genoa edebebo and our France no ende no ebo no otwe apawon sima enuma Leo and Bobokwa yefen OJ Sinis edebebo na urem our Manchester City akachia omo Norway striker bi yefen Ellen Brat Haaland officially no was signing contract extension at the Manchester City until 2034 into the next 9 years edi animono Abranti FN Ellen Brat Haaland no etna no wasi akan e de Man City o se nani agiye pa se was signing contract extension otna no wasi akan e de Boboko a ye friend Man City ano eye Ellen Brat Haaland ye de no nsam e de Eduardo Camavinga eye French midfielder or born ball e wo Spain de Real Madrid na Brantian akwakopra na wenya Moscow injury eye femoral bicep ewo ne nan mu enti ni amete ene se na otwe ba miensa de Eduardo Camavinga betena kira ontumi ensi akan emfama Boboko a ye fen Real Madrid enti Camavinga ase prabima ye de awonsam ede amao na uram ewo Barcelona akachi Hansi Flick manager edema Barcelona o se abrante ye fen Ansu Fati Barcelona kola reswa we o meka nkyere ne so pese ofi Barcelona ko na obeka kire na obetena se no wadwen ho na nyia no ese fata no ode ama abrante no sa abrante ne pese otena nso a obeje ne fel so na Barcelona ni na waboa no na wase gina ne nanso biem eno dwa ede afa abrante a ye fen Ansu Fati ho AC Milan ewo Italy na omudidi nkomo twetwe na edu akire English right back ye fen Kyle Walker osina kan de Boboko fen Man City no Boboko fen AC Milan sign no on a contract until June 2027. It's about 2 years contract. And a Kawaka, Ebe Man City, now wako PM, Bobo Kwa, Yefen AC Milan, or terminating the contract, no, our Man City, now wako AC Milan, I want some, and so Ediasumo. Now, okay, only gonna social, former Man U manager, now Man U Pamon on wako tenechira cheye, now and they only gonna social is back. Wako PM, I will take your sign contract. Edi amabobo kwa your friend Besiktas a 1 year contract and a wako signing until 2026 ewo and they only gonna associate kwa kokochi wa yede awonsam edi asomwa enye asem ketwakra ewo ho na ne krakra no ya sorry so no report a eba echirima bobo kwa your friend Ali omo Saudi Arabia te o La Paz Tabora inti happy special birthday enkoma Angela na dede aite a wala pasta bora we efi nana ho na nana se nyankopon koswa enhyira ombo wo ban na onye okese na onti nanim emfa nkyerɛ inti happy special birthday enkoma Angela na dede aite a wala pasta bora na nana ene se yanresho happy special birthday. Nyami nhyira na onye okese na bibia enye kama emfa ma enso wa ya yewie enti yedi esi enso wo aseda eye kwame afumudia otaye akiri ema yedi nsamne bae Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi APMP ane no edigumu edema aseda eye ne de sanso na DJ Omarion enso ede ento abefuntin tan no so Mia mede nsam no edeba ni dia meje so no ayensu ano de hye apakanGH the blessed king nyame adoma ochena se adepachi en ne won kwa wanwoden na wiase nse ye dia ebo anopa no nkron ken 9 am ekosi dumienu 12 noon hia en wo DLFM 106.9 kasafidie so na meneme mpenfo ebesi nkunya donhwere miensa mu 3 hours en ye di DL Power Sports no Edi bebrochna yawo surprises any exclusives bebre edi mounti ochna hia niamfa DL Power Sports na mbesomo from 9 am till 12 na bibia enye kama na yakwedie unim se DJ Hitman obetnase na or the Fridays edition of awoso no edi abro na all surprises bebre DJ Hitman edi ba awoso so enti you ready oni fia obe me say a lot from DJ Hitman. Inti yakwe die DJ Hitman take over. No dia woso na be woso musa akwa kosi se nondu ebebo yakre obibia.
And the king is back to the subject. DJ Hitman say